Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin rights and a quick backup. This avoids data loss. First, sign into your admin local account or create one if you don't have it. Once done, disconnect OneDrive by right-clicking its icon and choose Close or Sign Out, then ensure important files are on disk. Now open Start, go to Settings, then Accounts. You're in the right place to change sign-in options and manage the Microsoft account, so continue to the next steps. You'll switch the primary login to a local account. Click your info and choose Sign in with a local account instead. Follow prompts, verify current Microsoft credentials, then create a username and a strong password plus a hint. This becomes your main sign-in. Make sure you understand, apps tied to the Microsoft account won't carry settings across automatically. Once you complete the form, Windows signs you out and back in with the local account. Confirm everything works before removing the Microsoft account. Now remove the Microsoft account. Open Settings, Accounts Family and Other Users, select the unwanted account, and choose Remove. Read the warning and delete account and data only after you confirmed backups and OneDrive contents are preserved locally. After removal, reboot to clear cached credentials. Make sure apps that use that Microsoft identity still activate. Re-enter licenses or sign in with an apps as needed. If something fails, use System Restore or sign back into the Microsoft account temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.